This video we talk about Rog Phone 8 Pro versus OnePlus 12. The ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,299. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $1,099. The dimensions: OnePlus 12 6.43 inches height, 2.98 inches width, 9.2 mm thickness. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro dimensions: height 6.45 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight: ROG Phone 8 Pro 225 gram, OnePlus 12 220 gram. The build: front and back glass and aluminium frame in both mobiles. It comes with dual SIM support, nano SIM card supported. The display type: the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the same OnePlus 12 LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size: the ROG Phone 8 Pro 6.78 inches and the OnePlus 12 6.82 inches. The resolution: ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 1080p screen resolution and the OnePlus 12 comes with 2K screen resolution. The PPI dynasty: the ROG Phone 8 Pro have 388 PPI dynasty and the OnePlus 12 have 510 PPI dynasty. ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 165Hz refresh rate and the OnePlus 12 comes with 120Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio: ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 88.2% and the OnePlus 12 comes with 91.3%. And the ROG Phone 8 Pro and OnePlus 12 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 2500 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera setup. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto zoom, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. OnePlus 12 also comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 65 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The front camera of these mobiles: the ROG Phone 8 Pro have 32 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 1080p 60 fps video. The OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it record 4K 30 fps video. The platform: the ROG Phone 8 Pro and the OnePlus 12 come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the same chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. The GPU of these devices: the both devices come with Adreno 750 GPU and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Android 14 operating system. The OnePlus 12 comes with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14. And the memory of these devices: ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 16GB and 24GB of RAM, OnePlus 12 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage: ROG Phone 8 Pro 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, OnePlus 12 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No micro SD card support in both mobiles. Let's talk about the battery. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 5500 mAh battery and the OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 comes with 100 watt fast charging. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 65 watt fast charging. The OnePlus 12 comes with 50 watt wireless charging and ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 15 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and feature is same. The ROG Phone 8 Pro have gaming trigger also, and the result: OnePlus 12 go 25 points and the ROG Phone 8 go 20 points.